What are the benefits of Moringa tea? Moringa leaf powder benefits. What are Moringa tea benefits and side effects? Moringa tea made from the leaves of Moringa oleifera, a tree that's local to the South Asian countries, but now commonly grown in many tropical and subtropical countries all over the world. Moringa tree called as horseradish tree and drumstick tree. Moringa tree also called miracle tree due to its amazing healing benefits. You can get amazing nutrition of moringa leaves by making a cup of moringa tea because moringa tea caffeine free. What are health benefits of Moringa tea? Moringa tea is a great way to obtain antioxidants, vitamin C, beta-carotene, quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help to combat the oxidative damage and induced free radicals. Moringa tea taste is refreshing to drink. The health benefits of Moringa oleifera tea are gained via its abundant nutritional content. These benefits are not simply supported by old beliefs, but also recognized by medical studies. Here are the top 6 Moringa leaf powder benefits. 1. It is a superfood with high nutrient density. Moringa tea powder is a wealthy way to obtain vitamins, minerals, and proteins. It contains a lot of vitamin A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and protein. There is no Moringa tea leaves side effects by drinking daily, but Moringa tea health benefits are huge. 2. It is anti-inflammatory and combats inflammation. Inflammation can result in chronic diseases such as diabetes, respiratory complications, heart disease, arthritis, and weight problems. Moringa tea leaves lowers inflammation by curbing inflammatory enzymes. Therefore, drinking moringa tea for diabetes is a great idea. 3. It contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. One of the benefits of drinking moringa tea is, it has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties that combat infections. It is effective against fungi that bring infections on skin and bacteria responsible for other infections, and intestinal problems. 4. It helps to protect the liver. Moringa contains large amounts of polyphenols in its leaves and flowers that safeguard the liver against oxidation, toxicity, and injury. Moringa tea uses can certainly lower liver injury and fibrosis. Therefore, miracle tree moringa tea benefits are great for liver for detox. 5. It improves wound healing. Moringa offers blood clotting properties in its moringa tea leaves, roots, and seeds that help wound recovery. It can also reduce clotting period, which means that reduces the time it requires for cuts, scratches or wounds to end bleeding. 6. It fights free radicals. Antioxidants fight free radicals that cause oxidative damage, cell damage, and inflammation. Moringa has antioxidants called flavonoids, polyphenols, and ascorbic acid in the leaves, flowers, and seeds. A research found regarding moringa tea leaves benefits that moringa leaf extracts had superior antioxidant activity than flowers and seeds. Therefore, it stops the damage caused by free radicals in the cells. Moringa tea. How to make it from scratch. Moringa tea bags are available in groceries, but you can also make moringa tea for weight loss and other benefits by using our moringa tea recipe if you have access to a moringa tree. But benefits of moringa tea bags are easy to use and travel friendly. The making moringa tea is very easy, even though picking the leaves from the tree can be time consuming. In emergency, moringa tea bags benefits is helpful for a quick cup of tea. When brewing tea, you can steep the fresh or dry moringa leaves in hot water. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.